Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can reset your DoorDash driver password. So it's a pretty simple process. First of all, what you'll have to do is on your web browser you will search up this link, which is doordash.com/account/password/reset. You will search this up in your web browser and you will press on enter. Now once you do that, on your screen you will see a prompt where you can enter your email address, which will be right in front of you. So you'll enter your email address from there, and on this website this is all you'll have to do. Now next you will open your Gmail, since DoorDash will send you a Gmail. They will send you a Gmail from node/reply@doordash.com with the subject line password reset on www.doordash.com. So you'll just simply open that email, and there you will see a link where you can open, and it will prompt you to a DoorDash page. It will give you a link and just simply press on that link. That would redirect you to a website where you can enter a unique strong password twice. So you will enter that same password twice for proper verification, and after that your password would be updated and you would be able to reset your DoorDash driver password. Now just in case, make sure if you can't find your email in your main inbox, you can look in your spam or promotion emails, since sometimes this email can be over there as well. But this is just a simple process which you can use in order to reset your password. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.